Diana con Mali, Diana's Fishing. Entonces andamos acá en los steps. Ya mojé mi rooster tail. Vamos a ver si salen unos white bass. So, stay tuned.
They're in here.
Awesome.
Ok, gente, finalmente agarré mi primer pescadito. White bass. Vamos a ver si va a ser un keeper. Sabes que vamos, si es cierto, están abajo. Oh yeah, that's a keeper. Primero. Y ahí salió. Ahora sí, el primer white bass, gracias a Dios.
No, no es tan bueno. Nomás pelea fuerte. Sí, sí, es keeper. Nice. All the time. Yay, finalmente. Ya agarré uno. Yay, keeper.
You know, and you always have those bad days, right? Fishing. And today, it was a bad. So far, it's been a kind of like a bad day because we were having issues with the line. My line was slipping in my reel, like it was too loose, so I had to take it all off, all the line out, all the way, and then put it back in the reel. My wife is having issues with her reel also. I think this line might be old. I think we need to replace it. But a really bad day of fishing is way better than a good day of work. So luckily for us, today is Saturday, but my wife has to work, and we only have about 2 more hours left of fishing. And our goal is to get, like I said, four more fish to complete 10. And we caught 3. We caught 3, and the guy gave us 4, so we might have 7. But anyways, if they start biting and we can get 4, oh, right there, got him. Finally. Hopefully it's a keeper. I don't think it's gonna keep though. Yeah, this is not gonna keep. Please don't bite me. Yeah, this is not gonna keep. I'm gonna go ahead and release him.
Yeah. Sí. Hijo de su madrecita santa. Está atorado, Posito. Ya salió. Good one. No, bueno, amigos. Muy bueno.
Yeah, tiny one. Creo que es el mismo de ahorita, ya. Let's release them.